In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create account in Bolt 2026. To get started, download the Bolt app on your phone. If you're using Android, open the Google Play Store. If you're on an iPhone, open the App Store, search for Bolt, and make sure you install the official app. Bolt may also offer download options for Android, iOS, and Huawei devices, so just choose the version that matches your phone. Once the app is installed, open Bolt and look for the option to sign up or create a new account. Tap that to begin the registration process. The app will then ask for your phone number, which is used to connect your account to your mobile device. Before entering your number, select the correct country code. After that, type in the mobile number you want to use with your Bolt account. Be careful here, because this number will be used for verification and account access. Next, Bolt will send a verification code to your phone. Enter that code in the app when prompted. If the code doesn't arrive right away, double check that you entered your number correctly, then wait up to 60 seconds before trying again. In many cases, a short delay is completely normal. After your phone number is verified, continue by entering the account information requested by the app. This can vary slightly depending on your region. In some locations, Bolt may also let you register using a supported third-party account, so if that option appears and you prefer it, you can use that instead. You may also be asked to add an email address. If so, enter an active email that you can access easily. This is important because Bolt may use it to send receipts, updates, and other account-related communication. The app will then show Bolt's terms and privacy information. Take a moment to review them, then accept them to continue. After that, you can set up your payment method. Depending on where you live, you may be able to add a credit or debit card, though available payment options can vary by market. When prompted, allow location access so Bolt can detect your pickup location more accurately. This helps the app work properly when you're ready to request a ride. In some cases, Bolt may ask for additional verification for security reasons. If that happens, just follow the instructions shown on screen to complete it. Finally, go to the account section to review your profile and settings. Check that your phone number and other details are correct. Once everything looks good, return to the main screen. Your Bolt account is now ready, and you can enter a destination to start requesting a ride.